Hello my friends, how you all doing? In today's video I'm gonna show you a really cool trick with lights. All you need for this is some sort of light. I'm gonna use my cell phone and a basket. And you wanna have basket with holes. The more holes in your basket, the better. You obviously wanna do it in dark. Check this out. How cool is that? That's pretty awesome. Creates this 3D picture or figure. Check this out. Very satisfying to watch. Well, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time.